Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about the concept of exponents or mathematics. Okay. So let us try to understand what are exponents. Exponents are also called as powers or orders, are a shorthand for repeated multiplication of the same number by itself, same number or probably same letter by itself. Okay. For instance, let us try to understand the shorthand of multiplying three copies of the number 5, that is multiplying 5 three times, can be shown as 5 to the power of 3. Okay, so here 3 is called as the exponent and 5 is called as the base. Okay, if you can see one more example is there, 10 raised to 24. Here 24 is called as exponent and 10 is called as base. We can say 10 raised to 24 or 10 raised to the power of 24 or 10 to the power of 24. Okay, this process of using exponents is termed as raising to a power, where the exponent is actually power. Okay, so 5 to the power of 3 is 5 raised to the third power or 5 raised to power of 3 or 5 to third. You can pronounce in any way. Okay, there are two specially named powers to the second power, which is generally called as squared. That is, if we multiply 5 two times, then it is 5 raised to 2 or 5 raised to second power. This is commonly called as squared is what we call this. Okay, same way, if 5 is multiplied thrice, that is 3 times, it is called as 5 raised to 3 or 5 cubed. 5 cubed is what we call it. Before we getting into solving the problems related to exponents, we need to understand certain rules which will be used in simplifying with the exponents. Okay, let us try to understand. When you have two exponents multiplied, that is x to the power of m and x to the power of n, that is same variable with different exponents, that is different powers, you can simply add them, x to the power of m plus n. So suppose 5 to the power of 2 is being multiplied by 5 to the power of 3. This will become 5 to the power of 2 plus 3, which is nothing but 5 to the power of 5. All right, that is the first rule. Next rule, there is already power and upon that again one more power will come. Then in that case, both those powers or exponents will be multiplied. That is, for example, 2 to the power of 3 and again 3 raised to the power of 4, for example. It will become 2 to the power of 3 into 4, which is nothing but 2 to the power of 12. Okay, same way, suppose we have 3 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 2. This will become 3 to the power of 4 minus 2. Since this was in the denominator, it will be 3 to the power of 4 minus 2, which is nothing but 3 to the power of 2. All right. Let us try to work on some more problems. Simplifying x to the power of 3 into x to the power of 4 will give us x to the power of 3 plus 4, which is nothing but x to the power of 7. Okay, now here what happens, we have two different variables, we have a, we have b. So a will get multiplied with a, b will get multiplied with b. So it will be a to the power of 5 into a, then b to the power of 3 into b to the power of 7. So a to the power of 5, if nothing is there, it is known that it is power is 1. So this will be a to the power of 5 plus 1 and b to the power of 3 plus 7. So this will be a to the power of 6, b to the power of 10. Okay, now one more, x to the power of 2 into 4, that will be x to the power of 8. Now xy to the power of 3, it means x to the power of 3 y to the power of 2 into 3, which means it will be x to the power of 3 and y to the power of 6. Same way this one, the entire thing raised to 4. So each number we have to multiply with the power, that is 4. A to the power of 2 into 4, b to the power of 3 into 4, c to the power of 4. So a to the power of 8, b to the power of 12, c to the power of 4. Okay, so this is how we solve it. Let us try to understand some more questions in our next video.